वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। सर्वेषां स्वागतम्।
Akila Mahoday,
वदतु।
I have a doubt in the yeah.
So we'll come to Grihakaryam after 45 minutes. Now we'll do a quick revision of Shatranta Napumsakalinga. Then after 45 minutes, we'll spend around 45 minutes for Grihakaryam because it seems there are a lot of doubts in the last Grihakaryam. Yeah. Please note it down. We'll come to that later. Because if we start that, then the whole class will go with that. Astu. Sarve Kripaya Shatrushanajanda Mantri Pustakam Svikurvantu 33, page number 33. कस्य हस्ते पुस्तकं नास्ति? एकनिमिषम्।
नमस्ते महोदय।
Namaste. So I'm sending it in the group. WhatsApp group I'm sending. I have sent it in the group. So those who are yet to buy the book can use this. Sudha Mahoday, bhavati arambham karoti.
Patat, patanti, patati, patanti. I didn't know that Dvitiya Vachanam there is alternative also.
Satyam. So first of all, let's quickly read this. So patat, patanti. This is like Jagat Shabdam, which has these vikalpena rupadvayam vivachane bhavati. Kintu pradhana ritya patati iti svikurmah chet kleshah na bhavati. There it is a gana visesham. This vikalpena anya rupam is because of the gana visesham, and we saw this in Strilinga also. There it is comparatively simple, but in Napumsakalinga it is very complex. So for now, for this level, let us leave that about this patanti, where this patanti comes and where the patanti does not come. Let us not bother much about it. I have given this only to give a hint that if you come across a term patanti, please do remember that some ganas allow patanti also in Dvivachanam. So for now, patati iti eva svikurvantu. Enough for now. It is a bit complicated topic where the nakara comes, where the nakara doesn't come. So yetat svikurvantu.
Patat, patanti, patati, patanti. He patat, he patanti, he patati, he patanti. Patat, patanti, patati, patanti. Patata, patadbhyam, patadbihi. Patate, patadbhyam, patadbhyaha. Patataha, patadbhyam, patadbhyaha. Patataha, patatoho, patatam. Patati, patatoho, patatsu.
Uttamam Mahoday. Usha Mahoday, idanim bhavati vadatu. Atra pullinge napumsakalinge kaha bedaha. पुल्लिंग रूपम तादृशं शत्रन्द रूपम तत्र कुत्र भेदः भवति? म्यूट मध्ये अस्ति महोदय।
क्षम्यतां। प्रथम विभक्ति संबोधन द्वितीय विभक्ति भेदः अस्ति। अस्ति।
अस्ति। अन्यथा कोऽपि भेदः नास्ति। अन्य तृतीया आरभ्य सप्तमीपर्यन्तं रूपाणि समानानि एव। सो उदाहरणम् अथवा काण्टेक्स्ट् सन्दर्भम् अनुसृत्य एव अस्माभिः निश्चयं करणीयम् एतत् पुल्लिङ्गे अस्ति वा अथवा नपुंसकलिङ्गे अस्ति वा इति। प्रथमा द्वितीया सम्बोधना तत्र एव भेदः अस्ति। अस्तु, इदानीं कृपया सर्वे शत्रुशाणजन्तमञ्जरी पुस्तकं स्वीकुर्वन्तु। पेज् नम्बर् 33। येषाम् हस्ते पुस्तकं नास्ति ते कृपया वाट्सप् गणं पश्यन्तु, तत्र मया PDF प्रेषितम् अस्ति।
नमस्ते महोदय, which page number?
पेज् नम्बर् 33 शत्रुशाणजन्तमञ्जरी। हर्षा महोदय, भवती आरम्भं करोतु।
आं महोदय।
हरप्रसाद महोदय वदतु।
I don't know how to get it, Mahoday. Is it possible?
You are in WhatsApp group? Are you in WhatsApp group, Mahoday? I think no. Kanchan Mahoday, can you please send the PDF to Haraprasad Mahoday? He is in Signal only.
Okay. So अहं आरभ्यतः
तत्र 131 इति अस्ति खलु, तद् करोति, तद् स्वीकरोतु।
ओके। अधः सूचितानां क्रियापदानां बहुवचनरूपाणि शत्रन्तनपुंसकरूपाणि च यथास्थानं लिखत्। वर्तमानकाले उदाहरणार्थे गच्छत्, गच्छन्, गच्छति, गच्छन्ति, गच्छत।
अत्र गच्छति इति प्रथमपुरुष लट् प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनं, गच्छन्ति इस् प्रथमपुरुष बहुवचनं, and गच्छत् इस् शत्रन्त एकवचनं। नपुंसकलिङ्गे। इदानीं करोति इत्यस्य प्रथमाविभक्ति नपुंसकलिङ्ग प्रथमाविभक्तिरूपाणि 3 वचनेषु वक्तव्यम्। अत्र यत् दत्तम् अस्ति तद् नास्ति। कृपया नपुंसकलिङ्ग प्रथमाविभक्तेः रूपाणि 3 वचनेषु वदतु।
आम्। सो करोति लट् लकारे बहुवचन रूपाणि कुर्वन्ति। नपुंसकलिङ्गे एकवचनं कुर्वत्, कुर्वन्ति, कुर्वति, कुर्वन्ति, सॉरी कुर्वन्ति,
कुर्वन्ति, कुर्वति, कुर्वन्ति,
कुर्वन्ति।
केवलं कुर्वति पर्याप्तम्। अत्र ज्ञापक in order to just remind I have added this patanti. कुत्र भवति कुत्र न भवति इति अस्माभिः सम्यक्तया न जातम्, अतः पठति इति स्वीकरोतु। क्षम्यतां, कुर्वत्, कुर्वति, कुर्वन्ति। तस्य पञ्चमी विभक्तिरूपम् अपि वदतु।
ओके। कुर्वतः, कुर्वद्भ्यां, कुर्वद्भ्यः।
उत्तमम्। अग्रिमं शृणोति।
शृणोति बहुवचने शृण्वन्ति। नपुंसकलिङ्गे शृण्वत्, शृण्वत्, शृण्वति, शृण्वन्ति। तृतीया शृण्वता, शृण्वद्भ्यां, शृण्वद्भिः।
उत्तमम्। इदानीं हेमन्ति महोदय, भवती अग्रिमद्वयं स्वीकरोतु। नश्यति, भ्रमति, भ्रमति।
नश्यति, नश्यन्ति, नश्यत्। सो नश्यत्, नश्यति, नश्यन्ति।
षष्ठी।
षष्ठी नश्यतः, नश्यतोः, नश्यताम्।
एकवचने एकं वाक्यं करोतु। नश्यतः।
नश्यतः, नश्यतः। Is this like
नपुंसकलिङ्गं? नश्यतः इति उपयुज्य एकं वाक्यं, नश्यतः इति नपुंसकलिङ्गषष्ठीरूपम् उपयुज्य एकं वाक्यं करोतु।
नश्यतः
वस्त्रं,
नश्यतः, नश्यतः वस्त्रस्य, नश्यतः वस्त्रस्य वर्णः श्वेतः।
उत्तमं। नश्यतः वस्त्रस्य वर्णः श्वेतः। उत्तमम्। अग्रिमं भ्रमति।
भ्रमति, भ्रमन्ति, भ्रमत्. So भ्रमत्, भ्रमति, भ्रमन्ति.
चतुर्थी
भ्रमते, भ्रमद्भ्यां, भ्रमद्भ्यः.
भ्रमद्भ्यः इति बहुवचनम् उपयुज्य एकं वाक्यं करोतु।
भ्रमद्भ्यः चतुर्थी. भ्रमद्भ्यः, भ्रमद्भ्यः. I'm not coming up. What is the okay? भ्रमद्भ्यः, बालकेभ्यः.
भ्रमभ्यः बालकेभ्यः इति उत्तममेव, किन्तु अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गपदम् उपयुक्तम्।
आम्, सो भ्रमद्भ्यः मित्रेभ्यः.
उत्तमं।
भ्रमद्भ्यः मित्रेभ्यः पानीयं ददातु।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्। इदानीम् अखिला महोदय, भवती वक्तुं शक्नोति वा?
आं महोदय, आं महोदय।
अस्तु, अवतरति पतति।
अवतरति, अवतरन्ति, अवतरत्, अवतरत्, अवतरति, अवतरन्ति।
तस्य सप्तमी
अवतरति, अवतरतोः, अवतरत्सु।
उत्तमं। तस्य इदानीम् अवतरति इति उपयुज्य वाक्यम्।
अवतरति इति सप्तमी वा?
सप्तमी। यानं, बस् यानं।
ओके। अवतरति विमानं, बस् यानं, नो या याने। अवतरति बस् याने मम पुत्री अस्ति।
अवतरति बस् याने मम पुत्री अस्ति। उत्तमम्। अवतरति विमाने,
नहीं नॉट कैन विमाने, या विमाने इज बेटर,
मोर अप्रोप्रिएट। उत्तमं।
यस।
उत्तमं। पतति
महोदय,
वदतु महोदय।
what is avatarati?
Avatarati is getting, ascending down.
Ascending down.
Descending. Descending, right? Descending.
Yeah. क्षम्यतां. Getting down. इदानीं
पतति,
पतति।
पतति, पतन्ति, पतत्, पतति, पतन्ति।
तृतीया
पतता, पतद्भ्यां, पतद्भिः।
बहुवचनम् उपयुज्य वदतु।
पतद्भिः पत्र, पतद्भिः पत्र, पत्राणिभिः,
पत्रैः,
पत्रैः, सॉरी या, पतद्भिः पत्रैः सह मम पुस्तकम् अपि पतति।
पतद्भिः पत्रैः सह मम पुस्तकम् अपि पतति। उत्तमम्। इदानीं रोहिणी महोदय। विकसति।
विकसति, विकसन्ति, विकसन्ति।
विकसन्ति बहुवचने, तस्य नपुंसकलिङ्गरूपम् अस्ति विकसत्।
विकसत्, विकसत्, विकसन्ति, विकसति, विकसन्ति।
विकसत्, विकसति, विकसन्ति। तस्य सप्तमी रूपं किम्?
विकसति, विकसतोः, विकसत्सु।
उत्तमम्। इदानीं प्रथमा बहुवचनम् उपयुज्य एकं वाक्यं वदतु। विकसन्ति।
विकसन्ति पुष्पाणि, जिग्रन्ति।
जिग्रन्ति। कः जिग्रन्ति? सो अत्र विकसति इति प्रथमा बहुवचनं, सो इट् शुड बी द कर्ता। पुष्पाणि एव जिग्रन्ति वा? पुष्पाणि अहं तस्य ग्राणं करोमि, किन्तु ते किं करिष्यन्ति? विकसन्ति पुष्पाणि मार्गे सन्ति।
पुष्पाणि जिग्रन्ति
जिग्रन्ति इत्युक्ते के जिग्रन्ति
पुष्पाणि
जिग्रन्ति इत्युक्ते अर्थः कः
स्मेल्लिङ्ग्
पुष्पं ग्रासं करोति वा जिग्रणं करोति वा so does the it won't be apt, so we can better make sentence like vikasanti pushpani marge santi.
ओके
उत्तमं महोदय. इदानीं हरप्रसाद महोदय भवान् स्फुरति इति स्वीकरोतु. स्फुरति म्यूट् मध्ये अस्ति महोदय.
ओके क्षम्यतां. You want me to make it?
स्फुरति इति लट् लकारस्य प्रथमा एकवचनं. तस्य बहुवचनं किम्?
लट् लकार कुरुति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति.
स्फुरन्ति इति भवति. तस्य नपुंसकलिङ्ग शत्रन्तरूपं किम्?
कुरुत्
स्फुरत्
स्फुरन्ति.
उत्तमं. तस्य चतुर्थी
स्फुरते स्फुरद्भ्यां स्फुरद्भ्यः.
इदानीम् एकवचनं स्फुरते इति उपयुज्य एकं वाक्यं करोतु.
स्फुरते अहं स्फुरते.
अहं स्फुरते कथा स्फुरते इति विवरणं किं? स्फुरत् इति
to throb, is it?
स्फुरति इत्युक्ते बीटिंग. नयनं स्फुरति.
Okay. So what is wrong? So what is wrong in saying aham spurate?
Aham इत्युक्ते स्फुरति. अहम् इत्युक्ते किं भविष्यति? स्फुरते.
Okay.
क्रियापदमपि नास्ति खलु. इदानीं नामपदविषये एव वयं चर्चां कुर्मः.
Okay. सः कक्षे स्फुरते.
कक्षे इत्युक्ते
कक्ष in the class.
कक्षायां
सः कक्षायां स्फुरते.
तदापि स्फुरते इति क्रियापदं नास्ति. इदानीं स्फुरते यत्र आत्मनेपदी धातुः अस्ति तत्र एव स्फुरते वन्दे इति वक्तुं शक्नुमः. इदानीं वयं स्फुरते इति स्फुरत् नपुंसकलिङ्गस्य चतुर्थी विभक्तिम् एव पश्यामः.
Okay.
स्फुरते नयने. नयनं स्फुरति. तस्मै नयनाय अहं किमपि दास्यामि.
Okay.
स्फुरते नयनाय अहम् औषधं ददामि.
Okay.
किमपि कारणात् नयनं कंटिन्यूअस्ली स्फुरन् अस्ति. अतः वयं स्फुरते नयनाय अहं किमपि औषधं ददामि.
Okay.
यस्मिन् अर्थे. सो अत्र स्फुरते इति नयनस्य विशेषणं, न क्रियापदं नास्ति अत्र.
Okay, got it. Okay.
अस्तु. इदानीं रीता महोदय भवती अग्रिमं करोतु.
आचरति बहुवचने आचरन्ति and नपुंसकलिङ्गे आचरत् आचरति आचरन्ति.
तस्य द्वितीया
आचरतम्
किमर्थम् आचरतम्?
सॉरी क्षम्यतां महोदय. आचरत् आचरति आचरन्ति.
तस्य बहुवचनम् उपयुज्य वाक्यं करोतु.
आचरन्ति. धर्मं नपुंसकलिङ्गे अस्ति.
धर्मः इति पुल्लिङ्गपदमेव. धर्मः इति एव खलु.
then नपुंसकलिङ्गे
धर्मम् आचरति इति वक्तुं शक्नुमः.
ओके धर्मम् आचरन्ति बालकं सर्वे
अत्र आचरन्ति इति कस्य बहुवचनरूपं? पुल्लिङ्गस्य वा नपुंसकलिङ्गस्य वा?
नपुंसकलिङ्गे बालकः सम्यक् नास्ति.
बालकः नास्ति.
then only left is मित्राणि. धर्मम् आचरन्ति मित्राणि सर्वे आदरं कुर्वन्ति.
धर्मम् आचरन्ति मित्राणि सर्वे आदरं कुर्वन्ति. उत्तमम्. इदानीं कस्याः अवसरः? वल्लभ महोदय उद्गच्छति. वयम् इदानीं शत्रुशाणजन्तमञ्जरी पुस्तकात् वयम् अभ्यासं कुर्मः. रामचन्द्र महोदय कृपया पेज् नम्बर् 33 स्वीकरोतु. चिन्ता नास्ति महोदय, चिन्ता नास्ति. वल्लभ महोदय अस्ति वा? अस्तु, इदानीं काञ्चन महोदय भवती वदतु. उद्गच्छति.
आं महोदय उत्गच्छति बहुवचनमस्ति उत्गच्छन्ति नपुंसकलिङ्गे अस्ति उत्गच्छत् उत्गच्छति उत्गच्छन्ति.
तस्य षष्ठी
उत्गच्छतः उत्गच्छतोः उत्गच्छताम्.
तस्य बहुवचनम् उपयुज्य वाक्यं करोतु.
षष्ठी विभक्ति महोदय. उत्गच्छताम् उत्गच्छतां जलानां what do I say for the flow? प्रवाहं पश्य.
उद्गच्छतां जलानां किमपि जलानां प्रवाहं दृष्ट्वा सर्वे भीतिः प्राप्तवन्तः. Seeing the rising water, everyone got afraid.
But afraid will come in panchami vibhakti, no Mahoday?
उद्गच्छतां सर्वे भीतिः प्राप्तवन्तः.
ओके
तादृशं वयं वक्तुं शक्नुमः.
अस्तु महोदय.
इदानीं मधु इति अस्ति वा?
Yes, I'm here.
प्रचलति.
प्रचलति प्रचलत् प्रचलति प्रचलन्ति.
तस्य पञ्चमी वदतु, पञ्चमी रूपाणि.
So prachalati, what is the exact meaning? I mean moving.
Prachalati is going on.
Prachalataha
प्रचलतः
कक्षात्.
किमर्थं कक्षात्? प्रथमं तस्य त्रिषु वचनेषु रूपाणि वदतु. प्रचलतः, प्रचलद्भ्यां,
प्रचलद्भ्यः.
इदानीं नपुंसकलिङ्गरूपविशेष्यम् उपयुज्य वाक्यं वक्तव्यम्. यानम् इस् गोयिङ्ग्.
प्रचलतः
यानेभ्यः. एकनिमिषं. प्रचलतः इति एकवचने अस्ति. यानात्.
ओके. प्रचलतः यानात्. प्रचलतः यानात् बालकः अवहरोति.
प्रचलतः वाहनात् बालकः अवहरोति. इदानीं प्रशान्त महोदय. प्रसारयति.
It would be prasarat.
प्रसारयत्.
प्रसारयति, प्रसारयन्ति.
तस्य तृतीया.
Dvitiya would be prasarayat. That is tritiya, no? You said dvitiya.
चिन्ता नास्ति, द्वितीया वदतु.
प्रसारयत्, प्रसारयति, prasarayanti.
इदानीम् द्विवचनं द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनम् उक्त्वा उपयुज्य वदतु.
But
प्रसारयत्.
Prasarayat is like, is it telecast or what does it?
Distributing. वितरणं करोति तादृशं. या ब्राड्कास्टिंग तदपि वक्तुं शक्नुमः. पत्रं
Distributing could be sweets distributing or no?
अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गरूपम् उपयोक्तव्यं. प्रसारयत् इति अस्ति खलु, अतः नपुंसकलिङ्गं विशेष्यरूपेण उपयोक्तव्यम्.
मिष्ठानत् प्रसारयत्
किं प्रसारयत्?
could it be mishthanayat?
मिष्टानयत् इत्युक्ते?
No, dvitiya, no, I have to do
dvitiya. What is a noun which you are using? Mishtannam. Okay, mishtannam. Astu.
Yes, mishthanam prasaray no, it would be mishtharayat then. Mishtharayat prasarayat.
It should be dvivachanam. Shamitam, dvitiya vibhakti.
Dvitiya.
Should be a karma padam.
Yes. Aham prasarayat mishthanayat pashyami. Could it be?
Aham prasarayat mishtanam swikaromi.
Swikaromi.
Praptavati yatkimapi. The distributed mishtanam was got by me.
But could I pashyami, like I'm seeing it?
Seeing it is also right. I saw the distribution of this. I saw the sweet distribution.
It would be then aham prasarayat mishthanayat pashyami. Oh, no.
Mishtannam. Annam anne annani, annam anne annani. Mishtannam.
Mishtannam pashyami.
Mahodaya, sorry for joining late. So can you use karmani here instead of aham? Mishtannam prasarayat.
If you use karmani, then the karma padam will become pratama.
So what will the sentence be?
Maya prasarayat mishtannam drishyate. In that case, it appears the same, but it is pratama there. Hello.
Which one is pratama?
Maya prasarayat mishtannam drishyate.
What is mishtannam?
Mishtannam is mixed rice.
No, what is pratama?
Sweet. Thank you.
Mishtannam is sweet, va? I got mishranam. Astu. Mishtannam. Astu. I was getting it as mishranam. So it will be patat. The roopam is patat in both pratama and dvitiya.
So I didn't get what you're saying.
So if you say mishtannam, in pratama also it is mishtannam, and dvitiya also mishtannam, right? Vanam vane vanani, vanam vane vanani. Pratamayam api vanam, dvitiyayam api vanam. In shatranta napumsakalingam, pratama api patat, dvitiya api patat. So रूपे कोऽपि भेदः नास्ति, किन्तु अहम् अस्ति वा मया अस्ति वा इति दृष्ट्वा एव कर्मणि मध्ये अस्ति वा कर्तरि मध्ये अस्ति वा इति वयं ज्ञातुं शक्नुमः खलु.
वाक्यं पुनः वदतु महोदय.
अहं प्रसारयत् मिष्टान्नं पश्यामि. एतदेव प्रशान्त महोदयेन उक्तम्. एतत् कर्तरि मध्ये अस्ति. एतस्य परिवर्धनं किं भवति? मया प्रसारयत् मिष्टान्नं दृश्यते. सो कोऽपि भेदः नास्ति. प्रसारयत् मिष्टान्नम् इति एव तिष्ठति. कर्तरि मध्ये वा कर्मणि मध्ये वा.
No, that is okay.
दृश्ये नो मया दृश्यते. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
राजश्री महोदय भवत्याः संशयः किम्?
No. I get it. I just wanted to check if it can be done in karmani.
It can be done in karmani, but if it is in pratama, you can use it like that. If it is in karmani, it will become pratama, no?
Yeah. That is fine. Okay.
So if you use maya, then the sentence will not be in the patat is not a viseshanam to Visheshanam in Prathama, in Dvitiya. It is a Visheshanam in Prathama.
And we can also use ta pratyaya, is it? We can.
Prasarayati va? Prasarayati is distribution. You have to check whether it is a sakarmaka or akarmaka.
No, or aham prasarayat mishtannam.
Yeah, once again, we have to check whether it is a sakarmaka or akarmaka. Okay. Only in case of akarmaka, we can do that. Or gatyartaka. Otherwise, we cannot do.
Okay. Thank you.
इदानीं राजश्री महोदय भवत्याः अवसरः एव जनयति
जनयति जनयन्ति
पञ्चमी
जनयतः जनयद्भ्यां जनयद्भ्यः
किमपि उपयुज्य वाक्यं वदतु
सिंगुलर इज इट
यत्किमपि
जनयत् इज born born
एकवचनं स्वीकरोतु जनयतः
शिशु is पुल्लिङ्गं जनयतः पुस्तकात् अहं ज्ञानं स्वीकरोमि
जनयतः पुस्तकात् अहं ज्ञानं स्वीकरोमि उत्तमं मीना महोदय भवती करोति इति स्वीकरोतु
करोति
करोति
पुल्लिङ्गं or स्त्रीलिङ्गं
नपुंसकलिङ्गं
कुर्वत् कुर्वति कुर्वन्ति कुर्वत् कुर्वति कुर्वन्ति
चिन्ता पर्याप्तं महोदय इदानीं तस्य चतुर्थी उपयुज्य वाक्यं करोतु
कुर्वद्भ्यां कुर्वते कुर्वद्भ्यां कुर्वद्भ्यः कुर्वतः कुर्वद्भ्यां कुर्वद्भ्यः
एकनिमिषं चतुर्थी एव कुर्वते कुर्वद्भ्यां कुर्वद्भ्यः इदानीं कुर्वद्भ्यः इति उपयुज्य चतुर्थी उपयुज्य एकं वाक्यं करोतु
Can you repeat that in English? Sorry, I'm trying to get.
Kurvadbyah iti kurvadbyah is chaturthi bahuvachanam of napumsakalinga. You have to construct a sentence using chaturthi bahuvachanam napumsakalinga roopam.
Okay. कुर्वद्भ्यः सन्मानं ददाति
कीदृश what kind of kurvadbyah what is a visheshyam yanam va mitram va
kurvat
shabdam kurvadbyah yani
kurvadbyah सेवकेभ्यः
सेवकः सेवकेभ्यः इत्युक्ते तत्र पुल्लिङ्गम्
ओके
भवत्या इदानीं नपुंसकलिङ्गरूपविशेष्यं यूस् नपुंसकलिङ्ग
ओके
यानम् अथवा चित्रम् अथवा मित्रं
कुर्वद्भ्यः चित्रं
चित्रेभ्यः
लेखनी ददाति
शब्दं कुर्वद्भ्यः यानेभ्यः तादृशम् अथवा कार्यं कुर्वद्भ्यः मित्रेभ्यः So karyam kurvadbyah mitrebhyah mitra there are some friends they are doing some work to them someone is giving something
okay kurvadbyah mitrebhyah jalam dadati
kurvadbyah mitrebhyah aham
jalam dadati
aham jalam dadami
ओके अहं जलं ददामि
रामचन्द्रन् महोदय भवान् स्वीकरोतु Pashyati.
Pashyati, Pashyanti.
Tasya saptami.
Saptami is Pashyati, Pashyato, Paschatsu.
Pashyatsu इति उपयुज्य एकं वाक्यं करोतु.
यानं पश्यत्सु यात्रिकाः ग्रामं
पश्यत्सु इति कस्य विशेष्यं? यानस्य वा?
यानं.
तर्हि देन् यानमपि विशेषणविशेष्यभावम् अनुसृत्य सप्तमी बहुवचनं स्वीकरोति खलु?
यानत्सु पश्यत्सु यानत्सु.
पश्यत्सु यानत्सु
धूमं प्रचलति.
पश्यत्सु यानत्सु धूमं प्रचलति. So from the
scene vehicle smoke is coming.
Smoke is coming from the seeing vehicle. Seeing vehicle seems a bit, but this pashyatsu mitreshu, so that seeing vehicle
panchami bhavati.
From that
so pashyatsu in that from that in that pashyatsu.
Pashyatsu yaneshu kim asti?
Yanatsu dhumam.
So dhumam agachati. So agachati means it becomes panchami, right? As Varshanodaya told. Pashyatsu yaneshu janaha asti. Janaha santi.
Could it be like it's burning?
From the yana which is seen, people are there in the yana which is seen. Maybe this pashyatsu does not go well with the yana. Pashyatsu yaneshu, the one which is seen, in the vehicle that is seen, janaha are there.
Or we can say pasyatsu yanesu yatrikaha avataranti.
Yeah, that is also correct. Yatrikas are getting down.
No, that will be
Panchami. That will be again Panchami.
Panchami.
This pashyatsu does not go well with yana. Maybe we can take some other dhatu. Prachalatsu yaneshu janaha asanti.
Or pasyatsu jaleshu minaha taranti.
Pashyatsu yaneshu falani santi.
Yeah, once again, the vehicle that is seen, in the vehicle that is seen.
We can take patram.
Yatkimapi, this dhatu pashya means that is seen, in the vehicle that is seen or in the patram that is seen.
Yeah, flowers are there in that in the scene vehicle.
In the vehicle that is seen.
In the visible vehicle or something.
Yeah, in the visible vehicle or the vehicle that is seen. That tadrasham.
But
Mahodaya.
Pashyatsu is Bhagavachanam, Mahodaya.
Pashyatsu is Bhagavachanam. That is why we use yaneshu or patreshu or pushpeshu.
But it can also mean from among.
Yeah, among. That is more better. Pashyatsu pushpeshu yeshaha pushpaha adisuntaram asti tadrasham.
Mahodaya.
Vadatu Mahodaya.
Couple of times somebody mentioned it is Panchami. I didn't understand that how could they say that? So
prasarayati or avarohati. Prasarayati is distributing from. What was that word? Arsha Mahodaya, do you remember that?
Avataranti.
Avatarati is getting down. We get down from the bus, so it is Panchami there.
Panchami, right?
Panchami. So Panchami will go there. अवतरति तादृशम् अस्तु अत्र
So
एतस्मिन्
what is wrong? Another part of the sentence, no?
What is that, Magadya?
What is the wrong if it is coming in Panjami? Because it is the second sentence, second part, no?
What is the sentence you mean to say?
No, then when somehow they said something, Avadaranti. What
So,
is wrong?
Pashyatsu Pashyabhyah Yanebhyah Janaha Avataranti.
What is wrong in it? There's nothing.
That is not wrong, but we are requiring a sentence. You are required to do a sentence in Saptami Bahuvachanam. There is no wrong in the sentence using Avatarati. But when we are using Saptami Bahuvachanam, that won't suit. The Avatarati will go with what is that?
Panjami.
Pashyatsu Yanebhyah. Panchami. It will become Pashyatsu Pashyabhyah Yanebhyah. Panchami it will become.
Could it be said in Pashyatsu, Yanatsu?
No, it's not Yanatsu. Yanam is Napumsakalingam. Ya Vaneshu, Tadrisham, Yaneshu, Pushpeshu, Yaneshu, Yatkimapi. So the Saptami Bahuvachana Rupam of Yanam is Yaneshu and not Yanatsu.
Bahujana Santi. Could it be?
Bahujanaha Santi.
Then it's Saptami.
Yeah. Pashyatsu Yaneshu Bahujanaha Santi. Astu. 45 minutes is over. So we'll go to the Grihakaryam if there are, I think there are many doubts. We'll go to the Grihakaryam. So the Pratamaha Prashnaha. The Prich Dhatu. Kanchan Magadya, you were asking about this, no? Anyone has any doubt on this? So Prich is a Dvikarmaka Dhatu. We know that. Dvikarmaka is
this one I don't know, Bhagini. What is Dvikarmaka Dhatu? I don't know.
Yeah, aham vadishyami. Kanchan Magadya, bhavati vadati va?
द्विकर्मक धातु अन्य विभक्त्याम् अपि
भवती आङ्ग्लभाषायामेव वदतु.
द्विकर्मक धातु we can be used in another vibhakti also.
First of all, द्विकर्मक धातु इत्युक्ते कर्मम् इत्युक्ते किम्?
There are two
objects. Dvikarmaka ityukte it can have two objects. So guruhu sishyam prashnam pritchati. Guruhu sishyam prashnam pritchati. Atra what are the two karma padas? Meena Magadya. Guruhu sishyam प्रश्नं पृच्छति अथवा अखिला महोदय भवती वदतु. गुरुः शिष्यं प्रश्नं पृच्छति.
Guruhu is the subject and prashnam becomes the object for the pritchati.
पृच्छति. अत्र शिष्यम् इति पदस्य विवरणं किम्?
That is also an object.
अत्र कर्मपदं द्वे कर्मपदे स्तः. गुरुः इति कर्ता. कः पृच्छति? कर्ता. कः पृच्छति? गुरुः पृच्छति. किं पृच्छति? प्रश्नं पृच्छति. कं पृच्छति? शिष्यं पृच्छति. सो अत्र प्रश्नं तदा शिष्यं द्वे अपि कर्मपदे एव. अत्र केचन धातवः they can have two karmapadam. There are 16 dhatus listed in Ashtadhyayi and tadrisha tadartakaha ityukte pritchati, whichever dhatu which has a meaning pritchati can also behave like a dvikarmaka. For example, nayati, khatayati, vadati. Vadati is a dvikarmaka dhatu. Vadati is listed, so vadati any dhatu which has the same meaning like uktavan, or khatayati, they can also behave like a vikarmaka. So they can technically take two karma padam. So if atra pashyantu pruchatu iti asti. Kaha pruchatu? Karta kaha? Kaha pruchatu?
Karta. Karta.
Who is the karta?
Bhavan, right?
Bhavan pruchatu. Bhavan kim pruchatu?
Margam pruchatu.
Kam pruchatu?
Sevikam.
Sevikam. Bhavan sevikam margam pruchatu. Atra karma pada dvayam bhavitum arhati. It's not necessary that you should have always two karma padam. You can have two karma padam. And one more thing is, when there are two karma padam, we will have a doubt. Which is pradhanam? Idanim kanchan magde bhavati vadati va. Kaha pradhana karma? Kim padam pradhanam bhavati?
Prashnam will be the pradhana karma pradhan.
Why?
Because the question Shishyam can be used like Guru can ask from the student a question.
Uttamam. So, atra dve karma pade staha iti vayam janimah. Ekam padam asti gaunam, anyat asti pradhanam. Kadam janimah kim gaunam kim pradhanam ityukte yatra anya vibhakti vivaksha nasti tad pradhana karma padam ityukte where there is no possibility of getting another vibhakti. There are two karma padam, sishyam and prashnam. Is there any possibility of making prashna in a different vibhakti? No. But we can make sishyam as sishyat, from sishya. So it is a gauna karma padam. So one is the gaunam and another is the pradhanam. How do we differentiate? The one which can have another vibhakti, is a gauna karma padam. Actually saying, this is the actual sentence. Guruhu sishyat prashnam pruchati. Tatra sishyat ityasya mama vibhaksha asti chet aham sishyam iti api upayogam kartum shaknomi. That is the actual vishayam atra. So atra apadanasya upayogam kartum aham na ichami. Tat samaye eva aham dvitiyam upayogam karomi. Ataha eva etat gaunam bhavati. So when I choose not to use panchami, I use dvitiya. In that, so only we call this as a gauna karma padam. So the other answer for this will be dvaram utkatayantihi sevikaha bhavan margam pruchatu. That is also correct. Atra sevikaha iti sevika sevike sevikaha sevikam sevike sevikaha iti dvitiya bahuvachanam. Tasya viseshana rupena udgatayantihi. Tadapi shuddham. So we can, one more question will be, why can I use any other vibhakti? We told that there is a possibility of anya vibhakti. Then can I take tritiya? Can I take saptami or a sashti or anything? No, it is fixed. For these vikarmaka dhatus, there are extensive sutras and something written in Bala Manoroba and so many other textbooks that this particular vikarmaka can have only one particular vivaksha, that is vibhakti vivaksha, which we will study later. So atra pruchati iti asti cheta atra panchami eva bhavati. Anya karaka vivaksha asti chet tatra panchami bhavati. So when there is an option of another thing, it is panchami for pruch dhatu. So the answer is correct. Then what was any other doubt in this?
Number six also.
No, the fifth, I could not understand the meaning.
Atra kaha bedaha? I was not able to figure out what you people are telling. Sanskritam patayantyam, the same you are telling, but what is the difference?
No, Mohade, I wrote the sentence as aham samskritam patayantyam mama agrajayam snihami. Samyak asti.
Ekavaram vadatu.
Aham samskritam patayantyam mama agrajayam.
Agrajayam va.
Agrajayam.
Agrajaya.
Snehami.
Now, what is the difference between these two?
I don't find any difference because there was some confusion.
So only the order is different.
Only the order is different.
Is the order matters in Sanskritam?
No, it doesn't matter.
Then what is the doubt?
So only that.
Atra antime asti, atra arambe asti. That's all.
So it is correct.
There is no difference.
If we say, if you remove aham, if you say Sanskritam patayantyam agrajaya.
Yeah, even if you don't write aham, it is correct. It is correct.
No, then if I use mama there, it should come as mama snehaha asti or asmi will come.
No, when you use snihyami itself, it means aham. When you translate snihyami, it is I do the sneha.
No, I'm saying instead of aham, if I use mama.
Maha snehaha asti va?
Mama snehaha asti will come, or see, if you use aham snehyami, it is straightforward. I'm saying if you use mama, what will come? Will it be snehaha asti or snehaha asmi?
Snehaha asti.
Asti only will come.
Asti
right?
only. Snehaha asti.
Yeah, okay. That's what I want.
But this is the most aham snihyami. That is better.
That is the common, yeah.
Formal thing will be that.
I left out mama.
That is okay. That doesn't. It is better not to leave anything, but that's not a big issue.
Mahoday, fifth one, please. I could not understand the meaning. Sajjanah dharmam acharanti eshah.
Actually, this sentence is a bit complicated. What was the sentence? Dharma.
No, Mahoday, sentence was Sajjanah dharmam acharanti eshah vyavharah asti.
Sajjanaha dharmam
acharanti. Purnaviram acharanti eshah vyavharah asti.
So what vibhakti can be used here?
Meaning itself I cannot.
It is a bit complicated topic. I didn't see anything else other than this. So
Eshaha vyavharah asti. Eshaha, if it is sajjanah, then how eshaha?
No, eshaha is for vyavaharaha.
Eshaha
vyavaharaha or transaction or something. It can be either marga, niyama, whatever it is.
But how both the sentences are connected? Do
you see any connection in this sentence? This sentence makes sense. This is the vyavahara of the conduct of the sajjanas.
Then this answer is making sense to me, but I could not draw the meaning.
Yeah, that is a tough one. It took a lot of time. That is true. Any other sentence written?
So could we have? I wrote as dharmasya acharatah sajjananam vyavaharah asti.
Dharmasya
acharatah.
What is the meaning? Dharmasya acharatah. Dharmasya acharatah sajjanasya va. Dharma acharatasya sajjanasya. So that is the same. So we are using bahuvachanam here, but we have used ekavachanam. But not dharmasya, dharmam.
Magadhe, what is the exact meaning of vyavakaram?
Vyavaharaha ityukte way of life, lifestyle or transaction, their way of dealing, something like that.
Mahoday, is this correct? I had written dharmam acharantam sajjananam eshaha vyavharah asti.
Kimartam acharantam? You have used sajjananam.
Sorry, acharatam. Sorry.
That is not given here, right?
That is the answer.
Dharmam acharatam. That is what given here. Dharmam acharatam sajjanam.
Only esha is written later on, so it doesn't.
That is okay. Yeah. Once again, the order doesn't matter in Sanskrit. Better we can try to write in the order. If not, order doesn't matter.
Okay.
Any other doubts?
Mahoday, 10th. Is it Sravatah athva Sravata? Answer.
Oh, Sravatah. Yes. Kankana doshana.
Then it's right.
Sravatah Ghatat.
Ghatat Sravatah Jalam.
Ghatat.
Vanaraha Jalam.
Sravatah Ghatat Jalam. Oh.
Vanaraha Jalam Pibanti.
And what is
Jalam Sravatah Ghatat.
Jalam Sravatah Ghatat Vanaraha Jalam Pibanti. That I wrote.
what is Sravatah?
Oozing out.
Oozing out.
Or it will be Sravatah or it will be Sravat. Jalam Sravat. Jalam.
What is the sentence actually?
Sentence. Jalam Ghatat Sravati. Vanaraha Jalam Pibanti.
Oh, then it is Shravat Jalam. Gata. Oh, I have marked it wrong. So, Ghatat Jalam Sravati, Vanaraha Jalam Pibanti. So, Jalam Ityasya Visheshanam Eva Shravat. Hello. Then it should be Vitiya Shravat. So, I have marked it wrong. So, Ghatat Shravat Jalam Vanaraha Pibanti. Avagatam va?
Okay. We can write in order also, no?
No, Mahoday. Kripya.
So, Vanaraha Pibanti. Hello.
That is correct. Jalam.
Vanaraha Pibanti.
Vanaraha.
Pibanti.
Jalam.
Jalam. Kidrisham Jalam.
Shravat Jalam.
Shravat Jalam. Kasmat Shravat.
Ghatat.
Ghatat. So, Ghatat Shravat Jalam. Vanaraha Pibanti.
Okay, Miss Sravatah cannot be. Sravatah. Ghatat
Jalam
Sravatah.
ityasya rupam kim?
Jalam Jale. Oh, that is
So, Vanaraha Jalam Pibanti. Jalam ityasya visheshanameva Shravat kalu.
Here I could not understand, Mahoday. I took it with the Ghatat.
So, Sravatah Ghatat Jalam Agachati.
Ghatat Shravatah. I took it like
Jalat
this.
Jalam Agachati. Tat Shravat Jalam Vanaraha Pibanti.
Okay.
So, water is oozing out from the Ghatam. That oozing water is drunk. Oozing water, the Vanaras are drinking the oozing water. So, it is a Visheshanam to Jalam and not to Ghata.
Okay, Mahoday.
अत्र तापयति इत्युक्ते किम्?
Dadati. Dadati.
Dadati इत्यस्य
means Putrai Pita Yachati.
Khadyam. Nich. Dadati ityasya nich.
Dapyati.
Yakarah asti.
Aya asti kalu, that is a nich.
Aya.
Dadani. So, nijante tapayati.
Dapayati.
So, it is the nich. We were, I think 2 weeks back, we were discussing. So, this 1 to 9 kanas, yachati or dadati, both. Vayoho nich. Prerana artaka rupe nich. So, it makes, Pita makes someone to donate to Putri. So, it is not Pita himself is donating, he is making someone else to give. That is Preranate Nich. अन्य कोऽपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? नास्ति चेत् वयम् अग्रे किञ्चित्
just 1 or 2 sentences you make, Mahoday, in the example last that's given Sankhya, what is that? Pratyaya, I think.
Sankhyana Prayoga.
Yeah.
Mahoday, I also have one question in this shloka.
So, atra
one, 2 example sentences. We have read it.
So, Jananam Vimshatihi. Sentence, I don't know whether we have seen it. It is possible to have Jananam Vimshatihi Gachati. A group of 20 people go.
So the group is taken as the singular.
Always the group is singular. Crowd is singular.
Okay.
Vimshatihi Vimshati Vimshatayah.
Mahodaya, that can I ask that Anvayaha?
Vadatu Mahoday. Vadatu.
That Shatani, that word.
Shatani Yati.
So, you mean the
Yojana Nam Shatani.
Yeah. Once again, it is not a Karakam. Kiyat Duram Nagachati. So, atra Yojananam Shatani, it is a phrase kind of thing. It's not like a regular Jananam Bhalam. Tadrasham Nasti. Hello.
Yeah, because Shatani is not a. It is showing in plural. There is only singular for Shatam, right?
So if it is actual Visheshanam Sesheba, what will be the padam here actually?
Yojanani.
Yojanani Shatani.
That is my
Yojanani.
confusion here, Mahodaya. That is my confusion. Why Yojana Nam and why Shatani?
Yeah. No,
that is what Sankhyana Prayoga. This is called as Sankhyana Prayoga. So we saw Prahelika in Parichayastaram, right? Ekanimsham. Jananam Vimshatihi.
And also, what Rajeshri Mahodaya is asking, Shatam, what we have heard, that it's
Napumsaka
Asti.
Ekavachanam. It cannot be Shatani.
How come Shatani?
That is what, there are two types of prayogas for Sankhya. Sankhya has two types of prayoga. One is Sankhyeya prayoga and other is Sankhyana prayoga. Whatever we studied in the Parichaya level is Sankhyeya prayoga. There the Visheshana Visheshya Bhava comes. Atra Shatam ityukte atra Nityam Sarvada Ekavachane, Nitya Ekavachanam kalu.
Ekavachane.
So Shatani is not right as per the Sankhyeya prayoga. But atra it is a Sankhyana prayoga. How do we find out whether it is a Sankhyana prayoga? There will be a Sashthyanta padam associated with that. So Jananam Vimshatihi. Atava Yojananam Shatani. Atava Strinam Vimshatihi. Atra Sankhyana prayoga asti chet, it will be associated with a Sashthyanta pada. There is no Visheshya Bhava between the two. If it is a Sankhyana prayoga. If it is a Sankhyeya prayoga, it is only dealing with numbers. Here it is meaning a group, more than 20 in the numeric sense. So it will have all the vachanas. So in order to say a group of 20 people, two groups of 20 people or more, multiple groups of 20 people. Tasmin arte. So it doesn't mean that 100 yojanas. It means multiple hundreds of yojanas. Pipilika who is taking effort can cross even multiple hundreds of yojanas. Iti arte. So it is meaning a collective thing. So it is a Sankhyana prayoga, not a Sankhyeya prayoga.
Can you scroll down a little? That example. Yeah, that is. So Vimshatihi becomes. It can become in all the three.
It can take all three vachanas. Vimshatihi, Vimshati, Vimshatayaha. Vimshati is Nitya Ekavachanam kalu.
Yeah.
But when it becomes a Sankhyana prayoga, it can take all three vachanas. How to find out? It will be associated with a Sashthyanta padam. Jananam, Strinam, Yojananam.
So two groups of 20 people, then it becomes, is it?
Yeah. Atra, it is multiple groups of 100. Atra Yojananam Shatani. Ityukte multiple hundreds of yojanas.
So this is a new topic.
We studied this in we had a what to say, We saw this Prahelika, right? Ekona vimshatihi strinam snanartam sarayum gata vimshatihi punarayata eko vyagrena bhakshitaha. Strinam vimshatihi. So we saw that this ekona has to be split appropriately. We saw that, right? Tatrapi sankhyeya prayoga nasti. It's a sankhyana prayoga. It means vimshatihi, a group of 20 ladies. Iti arthaha. So this prayoga itself is different. This is not the regular sankhya which we studied last year.
So how to identify to find a Shashti?
Sashthyanta padam. It will be like jananam, yojananam, tadrisham. So to represent a group as a whole. And it will happen only after 20. It cannot happen below 20. This sankhyana prayoga cannot go with 15 or 1 or 2 something. If it is above 20 and you have to represent it as a group, then you can use the sankhyana prayoga where it will be associated with a sashthyanta padam. So if you want to go deep into that, then you can go through the Bhasha Pak slide. There also, whatever there is given, I have given it here. This is a basic thing. It is not a normal Visheshana Visheshya Bhava. That is why we don't use Kesham. If it is a Visheshana Visheshya Bhava, it will be same. Atra, it is a phrase. It's a kind of phrase. So we took it as a one.
That's why Kiyat is used here.
Yeah.
And not Kati. I used Kati because I focused
so
on
it means
Shatani.
like multiple hundreds of yojanas. So it means it's beyond, it's not countable. So we use Kiyat.
I have a doubt, Mahodaya. Here in this shloka, in the second line, it says Agachan Vainateyopi. So can we use a before the word to negate the meaning? For apatan, like apatan chatraha parikshayam.
It is a samasa, but I don't know what samasa is happening. There is a rule for that also. So we have seen dharmaha, adharmaha, uttamaha, anuttamaha.
So similarly here also,
here also,
any
yes.
of
Gachan,
the
agachan. So that negation can happen with any nama padam. If it is going to happen with a kriya padam, it will be a standalone, like na gacchati, na dadati, tadrasham. If it is going to happen with nama padam, it will be fused, like samasa will happen, like dharma, dharmam, adharmam, karmam, akarmam, ashvaha, anashvaha. When a swara is followed, it becomes uttamaha, anuttamaha. Other than that, it is negation.
I had shared on 6, what do you call it? Use of 6 As.
There are 6. It is also available in Bhasha Pak 1 slide. If you want, you can go over it. So, what are the, with the na simply doesn't mean nishedam also. It can mean abhava or something, depending upon the context. There are 6. Even a simple na has so much of meaning.
You repeat that what you said about that and anu.
So dharmaha ekanamsham. Dharmaha, it will become adharmaha. So atra dha iti swaraha va vyanjanam va? Vyanjanam. So we use plain a. If it is a swaram, uttamaha, then we use anu. An iti upyogam kurumaha. An, then u, anuttamaha.
So to tell them opposite meaning.
For negation. Adihi, anadihi.
Uddishya, anuddishya.
Uddishya, anuddishya, tadrasham. So when it is a vyanjanam, when it is a hal adi, then we use plain a. When it is a swaradi, we use an. For negating that. So tadrasham eva agachan. A plus gachan, agachan iti.
How do you say swaradayaha?
Swaram adi yasya saha. Yasya adau swaraha asti. Adi ityukte beginning. In the beginning, if a swara is there, then it is called swaradi. If a hal is there, it is called haladi. When we want to negate a haladi word, then we are adding a, when we are negating a swaradi word, we are adding an. So all these tidbits you can see in Bhasha Pak 1 slides. There is also rule how it becomes a. So we are adding a, then na only, it means na. Then how it becomes a or anu. There are a lot of sutram behind it, which and all will be given in the Bhasha Pak 1. Just you can understand that if it is a haladi, then a, if it is a swaradi, then an.
Is it enough, Mahodaya, or we are going to study
No,
it in
we
details?
are not going to study now.
Okay, it's enough for us to know this.
Enough. If you want to learn more, there is a rule behind it which you can find in Bhasha Pak 1.
You just scroll up that Srinam Vimshatihi. Thank you. No, the other example which you showed.
Yeah, this is the example which we had last year.
No, for the Dvivachana and
Jananam Vimshati, Jananam Vimshatayah, Vimshatihi, Vimshati, Vimshatayah.
Okay.
Matihi, Mati, Matayah.
Tadasham. Mati Shabdavat. These are some prayogas which are found in Subhashitams or Kavyas. These are not regular, so just make a note of it. That's all.
Mahodaya, one request. Just to boost some confidence, any next to homework, any simple shloka can you please give us for homework? So, because it looks like as if it is easy.
Yeah, definitely.
Then
This
two
shloka,
or the
I
one or
thought it is
two.
very easy, but it is it has lot of like we learned 2 new concepts in this shloka itself. The Nisheda and this Agachan, lot of things were there. We never thought that it would be so complicated also. Once we started doing only, we also got to know that it's a bit complicated one.
For
Actually taken
Yojana,
for Gachan and Agachan to teach Shatru, but it turned out to be complex.
This Agachan, this thing you have, did you talk about it in the beginning of the class? I missed it.
No.
Okay.
Agachan is nothing. We are just negating. Gamana kriyayaha nishedanam. Yeah, the one who is not moving iti arthaha.
I invested a lot of time to find the shloka on the internet to see that whether Yojana Naam is Tankadusha or Yojana Nishatani, somewhere I can find. But I couldn't find.
Cannot find the descriptive meaning also. Pratipadarte Khatam Likami iti nas. Yeah.
I couldn't get the meaning, but Rita Mahodaya and Kanchan Mahodaya had written the meaning. So I write at the end my homework. So I took the meaning from them.
So the overall meaning will be getting, but Pratipadartha, when we go deep into the words, it might be confusing because of the Yojananam Shatani.
Exactly. And Shatani also in that tabulation, the Uttarapatrani, it was left out and separately explained.
Yeah, Shatani. Yeah, this actually when I read it for the first time, I didn't get it. Then after thinking for a while only, I got it that it is a Sankhyana Prayoga. If you have not done Bhasha Pak 1, it is difficult to comprehend. It's true. We have little time.
Well, the other thing is when you ask for, say, 20 sentences to be made, while the words may be used correctly, I have no confidence that the sentence is correct. So we have to mark this ourselves. It's
Which one, Malade? You mean the Tatparyam?
No, not Anvaya. As a question,
the first 2 sentences.
Say, please make 20 sentences with whatever.
From Bhasha Pravesha.
What I'm saying is the sentence, I have doubts whether my sentence is entirely correct. Maybe my usage of those words may be correct, but the sentence itself, I think there may be errors. So how do you mark these things? Because no one's looking at it. I'm assuming I'm correct. But I have no comfort.
Very valid question.
Yeah, that is a valid question. Yeah. But if you can check only on one thing, I will recommend to check only one thing: the prayoga. Check the prayoga meaning.
Currently checking prayoga only.
That is the only thing which we can do, because prayoga, if it is correct, then it should be correct. And when you are making sentences also, don't make it an elaborate sentence. Make it as little as possible and fix with the prayoga, kartari or karmani, and accordingly the karta, karma, and kriya. So if
one more thing, Mahade. As far as this definition comes, paribhasha is concerned, we should have some standard definition. I am writing my own way, and when I read the answer Uttar Patram, it was very different. So at least paribhasha thing, if you can provide us how to write it.
You mean for the first two question?
Yeah.
So for first two question, I think if
second question is quite clear, how to write it, but what is the meaning of Vartaman?
This is the first part is for extra. This is for so since you all got a good foundation, we thought that we can introduce you to sutras and ashtadhyayi. So try so that will also help us if you go through the sutra. If it seems simple, then go through it. If it is complex, some sutras are very complex, leave them. This is the easy one. Vartamanam ityukte kim. So Vartamanam ityukte kim, so it means present tense, right? So what that if that is explained, then it is okay. Latlakarasya vishayam dyotayitum yat bhavati tadeva shatru. Shatru is, it's nothing but which represents Vartamana or Latlakara, that which has started and that has not ended.
For example, I write pradhan kriyayam evam anya kriyayam samakalatvam bodhayati atah sapekshena tau ekamev samaye bhavanti etat karanena vartaman kalah iti vadamaha. I don't know what I wrote.
Yeah, if you did not mention this one, it is completely fine. This is from sutra. This is for extra bit, that's all. If you have written this tinganda kalasya samakalika kriyam bhavati iti yati uktam chayat, that is correct.
Miss, I understood that pradhana kriya and the pratyaya means another kriya, they happen at the same time.
If you are able to write the samakalika kriya, then that's fine.
I wrote that, but when I read the standard definition, I got confused how to write.
This is for extra. So you learn something, then we are adding extra.
Mahodaya, the seventh one, Garjatah Simhah, that could you take that? So could we use the Pancham, not Pancham, Saptami here?
Kimartam Saptami? Bhayam ityukte mostly it is Panchami.
No, Garjati Simhe mama bhayah nasti.
Mama bhitihi asti tadasham. So it becomes like gunavachakam at that time. Vatsalyam, snihyati.
Yeah, mama bhayah nasti. Bhitihi, I have to say, is it?
Bhitihi nasti. So it is general to go with the what is the upapada vibhakti states.
Okay.
So we need what to say. I tried someone was asking about snihyami. Yeah, I tried to look at the karakas and various sutras. It goes so complex. So unless we understand everything, it is not possible to say that you can use in saptami or something. So better stick with the upapada vibhaktis rules. If it is bhaya means stick to panchami. If it is ruch means stick to that. Saha means tritiya. Tadasham, if you use, you can use it with that. I think that this was a complicated homework.
The next one we have to see how it is.
That's good.
It takes so long to finish. For one whole week, little by little only we are able to finish. Otherwise, cannot finish in one day.
True. It appeared simple, but it took a lot of time. Satyam. So I'll inform to make it a bit simple. Every time it happens. Then in page number Shatru 35 or 36 स्वीकुर्वन्तु मिश्रवत्
शत्रुघ्नः महोदय
134
हाँ
134 so page number 37 actually we'll start रामचन्द्रन् महोदय भवान् आरम्भं करोतु बालः वृक्षेभ्यः भवतः हस्ते पुस्तकम् अस्ति वा हा
What should be done there?
फलानाम् इति अस्ति तस्य विशेषणरूपेण पतन्ति इति शब्दस्य उपयोजनं करणीयम्
बालः वृक्षेभ्यः पतन्तीभ्यः फलानां संग्रहं करोति
वृक्षेभ्यः
पतन्तीभ्यः
so patat is a विशेषणं to vriksha or pala
फल
so pala vibhakti kim pala इत्यस्य पदस्य विभक्ति किम्
फल means द्वितीया
फलानाम् इति अस्ति अत्र तस्य विशेषणरूपेण उपयोक्तव्यम् फलानाम् इति षष्ठी बहुवचनम्
ओके के बदल में पदन
पेज नंबर 37
I got it
हा
पतन्तीभ्यः
अत्र पश्यतु स्क्रीन् दृश्यते वा
पठताम्
पतताम् बालः वृक्षेभ्यः पततां फलानां संग्रहं करोति
पतताम्
so bala is collecting the fallen fruits from the tree
okay bala okay
is doing the collection of the fallen
fruits
collection of fallen fruits from the tree उत्तमम् इदानीं मीना महोदय अस्ति वा पुष्पस्य सौन्दर्यम् अपूर्वम् कीदृशस्य पुष्पस्य पुष्पस्य इत्यस्य विवरणं किं मीना महोदय अस्ति वा अस्तु राजश्री महोदय भवती स्वीकरोतु विकसतः पुष्पस्य सौन्दर्यम् अपूर्वम् उत्तमम् इदानीं प्रशान्त् महोदय तृतीयं
which book like
शत्रुशानचन्द्रमञ्जरी 37
like I don't have this shirt
it has been shared in the group महोदय please check that I'll come back to you मधुमती महोदय अस्ति वा
yes
तृतीयं वाक्यं स्वीकरोतु dash तस्मिन् याने
what is it
50 जनाः
सन्ति so tasmin is 7th vibhakti so gacchati tasmin yane 50 जनाः सन्ति
कीदृशे याने गच्छति तस्मिन् याने इदानीं काञ्चन महोदय
महोदय शृण्वता मित्रेण चिन्तनं कृतं
प्रश्नमपि पृच्छतु
शृण्वता मित्रेण चिन्तनं कृतं कीदृशं मित्रेण
कीदृशेन मित्रेण चिन्तनं कृतं शृण्वता मित्रेण उत्तमम् इदानीं रीता महोदय
उपाहारं खादतु मित्राय पानं पानीयं ददातु उपाहारं खादन्तं मित्राय पानीयं
मित्राय इति
ददातु
कस्यां विभक्त्याम् अस्ति?
उपाहारं द्वितीया
कस्य विशेषणं? कीदृशाय मित्राय?
मित्राय
उपाहारं खादते मित्राय पानीयं ददातु
प्रश्नं किम्? कीदृशाय
मित्राय उपाहारं कीदृशाय मित्राय पानीयं ददातु खादते उपाहारं खादते मित्राय पानीयं ददातु.
So if you ask the question to the Visheshyam, then you will get the answer quickly. Agrimam idanim Haraprasad Mahodaya.
The question will be Kidrishe Mahodaya. What did you say?
It will also change according to the Vibhakti. Kidrisha is also a Visheshanam. So it will also change according to the Vibhakti.
Kidrishaya.
Mitraya. Kidrushena mitrena. Kidrishe yane. Kidrushasya pushpasya. Kidrishanam palanam. So accordingly it will change. Haraprasad Mahodaya. अस्ति वा? अस्तु रोहिणी महोदय.
आगच्छतः यानात् मम भीतिः.
वेगेन आगच्छतः यानात् मम भीतिः. प्रश्नः किम्? कीदृश इति प्रातिपदिकं. So to that you can add. It is like Rama Shabda. कीदृशात् यानात्. कीदृशात् यानात् मम भीतिः. वेगेन आगच्छतः यानात् मम भीतिः.
मम भीतिः अस्ति महोदय.
अस्ति अत्र अध्याहृतम्. अखिला महोदय.
याने डैश यानेभ्यः जनाः बहिः आगच्छन्ति तिष्ठन्ति तिष्ठेभ्यः यानेभ्यः जनाः बहिः
तिष्ठद्भ्यः यानेभ्यः. अत्र विभक्ति का?
तिष्ठन्ति तिष्ठत्.
यानेभ्यः इति अस्ति खलु, तस्य विभक्ति का?
यानेभ्यः विभक्ति पंचमी.
बहिः अस्ति चेत् तत्र पंचमी.
हाँ.
सो तस्य विशेषणमेव तिष्ठत्. सो तिष्ठद्भ्यः यानेभ्यः खलु. तिष्ठद्भ्यः यानेभ्यः जनाः बहिः आगच्छन्ति.
तिष्ठद्भ्यः सम्यक् भगिनि.
तिष्ठद्भ्यः. सो व्हाट विल बी द क्वेश्चन?
कीदृशेभ्यः
यानेभ्यः. हेमंती महोदय.
महोदय क्षम्यतां. बहिः कैन बी यूज्ड विथ षष्ठी अपि.
जले पर्णं
गृहस्य बहिः पुरतः पृष्ठतः वा मतः तादृशं.
गृहस्य बहिः वृक्षाः सन्ति. सो बहिः अपि षष्ठी. ओके महोदय, धन्यवादः.
जले पर्णं पतितं. सो कीदृशे जले पर्णं पतितं. प्रवहति जले पर्णं पतितम्.
उत्तमं. हर्षा महोदय.
शब्दं ब्लैंक यानस्य दर्शनात् एव मम कोपः. सो कुर्वत्. यानस्य is षष्ठी विभक्ति. सो कुर्वतः यानस्य दर्शनात् एव मम कोपः. So question will be कीदृशस्य
उत्तमं कीदृशस्य यानस्य पूर्वतः यानस्य उत्तमम् उषा महोदय
This is Shashti. Avataratah vimanasya chakram bhumau gatitam abhavat. Avataratah.
उत्तमं कीदृशस्य विमानस्य अवतरतः विमानस्य सुधा महोदय
माता उद्गच्छत् क्षीरे जलं योजितवती
क्षीरे इति कस्यां विभक्त्याम् अस्ति
This is क्षीरे सप्तमी एकवचनं So माता उद्गच्छति क्षीरे जलं योजितवती
उत्तमं
कीदृशे क्षीरे माता जलं योजितवती
उत्तमं प्रशान्त महोदय अस्ति वा पुस्तकं प्रयत्नं करोति वा
Like it is sent in the group, signal group you were referring.
There in the signal group.
Yeah, but I'm also not in signal group. You have to add me there. I'm sorry.
Maalatee is shared.
I think it's not in both the groups. Are you attending the classes, Magadya?
Yes, I'm attending. Now I've got I've started getting like which you.
चिन्ता नास्ति समयः अपि अतीतः अस्तु वयं प्रार्थनां कुर्मः हर्षा महोदय कृपया प्रार्थनां करोतु
सर्वेत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामय सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ओम शांति 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 ओम गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम धन्यवादः महोदय
धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः
धन्यवादः